Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Highland puppy seed in Winter Frost update week 2 in Heartopia. First, just meet the NPC Blanc. You can meet him on the Unseen Mountain, and then once you're there, just tap on the Blanc character and then just choose the gardening store like this, and inside this store you can buy the Highland poppy seeds directly. There are 3 different types of Highland poppy seeds available here. You can buy all 3 types or just pick one depending on what you need. And then okay, maybe that's it. Now you're ready to plant your new Highland poppy flowers. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.